Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can save a screenshot from your video clips you edit and create or record on Metal TV. So let us guide you through this. So guys, what you will need to do is open up the video clip or your video recording through the Metal TV video editor, and inside the video editor guys, move the playhead to the position you would like to take a screenshot from. So let us go with, let's say, this one here at the 4-second mark. What you need to do is click into that camera icon at the top and select one of these output file formats such as PNG or JPEG to make a screenshot of the current frame, which is this one here, right? And then click into Save to Library, and that is going to add the screenshot for the given frame, and yeah, navigate it or save it in your library right here, for example, so that you may use it for your future video editing projects here on Metal TV. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.